Hi everyone, welcome back to Zenova, and I'm going to give you an overview of the option strategy and portfolio module. I'll start with just a general overview and then we'll work into some more videos to show you actually how to use it. But what you're initially looking at here at the top is the trade editor, where you can have a selection of 5 different option models. Each model is for pricing certain types of options, and to learn about those different models, and also to just have a general help menu for using this module. And this is the same for all different modules. If you'd like that are in Zenova, if you'd like to use a help menu, is simply hit menu and go into the help screen, and you will see in here is the help screen for option strategy, and we'll go through how to use this particular module, how to set up different option strategies. You can pretty much create anything you want in the option strategy, because you can create as many positions of buy and sell of calls and puts. And then down below here, you'll see the actual models themselves, and you can get into understanding and learning about these different models. So that is the help menu. Going to go back into the option strategy and portfolio. At the trade editor at the top, just like the other modules, you would simply enter in what your trade name is and strike, whether it's European or American, call put, the contract size. In this case, one contract equals 100 shares for pricing, let's say, a Tesla option. And pricing date could be today simply, or any date you'd like to make it. The expiry of the option. Steps is just how many steps you'd like to use for this particular model in calculating. When creating an interest rate tree, when you read about the model, it'll tell you what this is all about, but it's not too complex. You buy or sell a certain amount of contracts, plus for buy, minus for sell. Premium from where it's trading in the market, this would be the total value of your purchase or your sale. Premium goes in here in the market, the underlying of where it's trading, interest rate, dividend yield, a volatility assumption, and then calculate, and then the output. And all your output is right here, your implied volatility for where the option is basically trading, the fair value of the option from an assumption of what your volatility input is, and then delta, gamma, vega, theta, rho, theoretical total, so your sensitivities, your theoretical total, your traded of what you traded against versus where it's currently trading, to give her a P&L, a traded versus theoretical, and a theoretical versus current. You also see the graph here, which the actual calculation has iterated through to show you as the price of the underlying option moves, what the fair value of the option would be under that movement. So you can see that if we get a price movement to 240 on the underlying instrument, in this case Tesla shares, currently trading at 231, then the new fair value should be about 18.858 dollar amount. Okay, the portfolio editor down below allows you to set up different portfolios, and it's setting up portfolios the same way you do in the other modules. Simply selecting, creating a new portfolio, or looking at existing portfolios. You can post either new trades to an existing portfolio, or if you'd like, you can come down to the portfolio trade grid, and you can just highlight a trade, and by highlighting it, it will load up that trade into the trade editor, where you can modify, do whatever you want to it, and then hitting the save button will save it back down with those changes into your actual portfolio, and it'll show up in the grid. There is an area for overrides, which we'll get into later, and it also, from the grid down below here, whatever portfolio is loaded up, it will total everything and show you what those totals are within the portfolio itself.